Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fishing rod. First, gather all your necessary components, including the rod blank, reel seat, and handle materials. You'll also need a set of guides, a tip top, and winding checks. Don't forget your epoxy, thread, and various tools to ensure a smooth building process. Having everything ready makes the assembly much easier and more enjoyable. Next, identify the rod blank spine. This ensures your rod bends correctly under pressure. Securely attach the reel seat to the blank, making sure it's perfectly aligned. Then, carefully shape and fit your handle components, such as cork or EVA foam, onto the blank. This step creates the comfortable grip you'll use for countless fishing adventures. Now, determine the precise spacing for your guides, which varies with rod length and action. Carefully wrap each guide foot onto the blank using specialized thread, ensuring tight, even wraps. After wrapping, apply a thin, even coat of two-part epoxy over the thread wraps. This protects the thread and securely fastens the guides to the rod blank. Finally, attach the tip top to the very end of your rod blank. Apply 1 or 2 additional coats of epoxy to all guide wraps, ensuring a smooth, durable, and professional finish. Remember to allow ample drying time, typically 24 hours per coat, in a dust-free environment. Once cured, your custom-built fishing rod is ready for action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.